Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have your hotspot on and the target SSID and password ready. Now focus on connecting via HTTP Injector. First, open HTTP Injector and import or load the config file because a correct payload and SSH/proxy settings are essential. Next, grant the app VPN permissions so traffic can be routed. This is required for the tunnel. Once done, double-check the payload, remote server, and port fields before you attempt to connect to the hotspot network. Now configure the detailed tunnel parameters inside HTTP Injector. This is where precision matters. Enter payload rules, proxy or SSH credentials, and custom DNS entries when required because mismatches cause failures. Make sure the routing mode matches your plan, HTTP, TCP, or UDP tunneling. Choose the one supported by the server. Once configured, start the connection and watch the log for handshake messages, successful auth, and assigned routes so you can confirm the tunnel is alive. Finally, initiate the injector and then connect your device to the hotspot. The tunnel should establish and route traffic through the server. Verify success by checking the external IP or loading a lightweight website. If you see the remote server IP, the setup works. Make sure to watch battery and data usage because tunneling can consume both. If it fails, recheck payload syntax, server credentials, and hotspot data allowance as a primary troubleshooting step before changing more advanced settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.